Hey, Bob Carr here. Another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Mr. Bird, how are you, sir?
Doing good. How are you doing?
Doing good, doing good. What you got coming up for spring? What's happening in your world? What projects you working on, sir?
A little bit of everything. Now the warm weather's back, we get back into all of our normal, regular services, installations, all that stuff. It's been a crazy winter, crazy Christmas.
I was going to say, how was Christmas this past year?
Busy.
Busy?
I'll leave it at that.
So you're looking forward to getting into spring?
Yeah, I've been very happy with the slower, non-Christmas winter time from January till now.
No huge rush and a bunch of deadlines?
Correct. It's a lot easier, a lot more spaced out, so it's
more organized.
Yeah.
What's new here in 24 for you? What products you got? I understand you got something with the new landscape lighting transformers. What you got going on with that subject?
That transformer makes things a lot easier. It's an Alliance brand transformer, which just coincides with our Alliance lights. The transformers in the past, it was before my time, before I started working here, but I know
before your time. Is that before electric?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, before the first light bulb. No, but you had already tried them, didn't really like them. They weren't working as
perfected like they are now.
Yeah, they weren't as smooth as anyone wanted them to be.
But they're on to something now.
They've got it all worked out now. Now the transformer itself has a Wi-Fi timer kind of built into it. Real easy to connect, real easy to use for us, for the homeowner. It should solve a lot of problems.
So the homeowner can control the lighting timer from anywhere via Wi-Fi. So him or her can set anything up they want now.
Yep.
For the transformer, makes it nice. Or if they don't want to have anything to do with it, we can when we are on site. So it makes it nice.
Yeah, we can get it set up without the homeowner even home. And then if the homeowner wants, there's that QR code right inside with the QR code for the transformer and then the QR code for the YouTube instructions of how to get everything connected, how to set it up, how to fine tune everything in the way that you want it to. So as long as Wi-Fi is connected, you can do anything with it.
I mean, it's win-win for all the way around.
Yeah.
Manufacturer, for us, the homeowner, obviously really for the homeowner, but they're going to like it a lot. And then we can service it and give a warranty because it's a good product.
Yeah.
So it makes it nice. Great. I appreciate you coming in today and sitting with us, chatting up a little bit.
Always.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show, and we'll see you next week on another episode.